Hey everyone, in this video I just wanted to go over uploading your Facebook pixel into Shopify. So the first thing we want to do is go into our business manager here. Super easy. Go over and find pixels. It might be somewhere different for you, but we're just going to go into pixels here. Wait for this to load up. And all you're going to do here is grab the pixel that you are currently using for your store. Grab this, copy it. So you might have more than one pixel. You might just have one pixel. But just grab the pixel that you want to use. Go over to your Shopify store. Go to Online Store here on the left. Go to Preferences. And right here you are going to find your pixel ID. So we're just going to copy and paste that over, hit save, and your pixel ID is set up. That's all you have to do. Shopify's made it super simple, so you don't have to go in and put in all your pixel coding. So really easy. And that is that for this video.